Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to take a first look at the KODAK Luma 350 portable smart projector. And KODAK sent us this for the review.
It's pretty neat. Look how small that is.
It's so tiny. I can't believe this projector. I have to cover the light so it doesn't blind me. But yeah, it's really small. It's got 4 inputs in the back here. You've got power, of course. You can plug HDMI. You can plug USB. So if you have a movie on a USB stick, you can put it on there. And you can also plug in a portable speaker, or you can pair it to a Bluetooth speaker.
And it has a focus wheel on the front too.
Yeah,
So you
sure
can focus
does.
it up.
It comes with a remote, but we recommend that you run it with the companion app.
Yep, so the companion app, that's actually what's on the screen right now with that projector. And you can totally control it by touching the screen.
So it comes with everything you see here, including different connectors for different countries,
Yep.
and an HDMI cable. And so it's got everything you need to get started. So you can play movies in your backyard or take your slides on the road or anything you might want to do. Okay, so we're going to go ahead, hook this up, and project some things outside, and we'll come back and do our full review. Thank you.
Thank you.